What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video with fresh upgrades. So today what we're gonna do to the vet is try to lower it on the stock bolts that it has. They actually have like bolts they could adjust to lower it coming out of the factory, but if I don't like how it looks after that, then I'm gonna just get lowering bolts and lower it more. So as you guys can see, this is stock height right here. Looks kind of high, so I'm gonna try to lower it. So right now we're just jacking up the Corvette. How to close the garage. It's really cold outside right now. So right now I'm jacking it up. I have a standard jack, a cheap one from Walmart. So basically what we're gonna do with this bolt is get rid of the gap that's right here between, I don't know if you guys could see it that well. Let me try to get it. There's a gap right there. That's what we're gonna try to get rid of, and that should lower the car about an inch or half an inch. Like I said, if I don't like it, then I could just go order some lowering bolts and it will be much lower. So yeah. When you find the 10mm. Wait. But this doesn't fit there. Mess of tools. Let's get it. I hit up my cousin because I need the adapter for this. Let's check out who just got here. Look at this low ass G35. Look at this low guy. What's up?
What's up, dude?
What's up? What's up? Damn, rocking that fresh konnichiwa, fresh up. Look at this. You gotta do the merch drop. So look at these.
Oh, wait, what the heck?
Look at that one. That one's the other one. Limited edition. Gotta do the merch drop. Don't forget to go check out at Fresh Upgrade on Instagram. Don't forget to go check out the shop at 1145 West Avenue I, Lancaster, California. Let's continue with this video. This sponsored video is sponsored by Fresh Upgrade. This thing right here.
Wait.
So this screw right here could lower the whole car right here. But the thing is, the stock ones have a lot of like the rubber, a lot of extra rubber down here, and the aftermarket ones have one rubber. This one has like 4 rubbers.
Let's see what we're looking at.
Alright guys, so it is lowered on both sides. All 4 wheels are lowered with the stock bolts. And this is the difference for anybody who wants to try this at home. It's not that hard. All it is just the first step I did, repeating all around the 4. So you see the front, there's hardly any gap there. The back, there's still gonna be a gap. So this one right here has about, let's see, two fingers fitting good. 3, it's kind of snug. It's kind of hard. You can see my last finger is kind of bending. So I could get some lowering bolts and lower it a bit more. All right, guys. Now I'm feeling a whole lot confident that I'm low. So let's do the limbo challenge and let's check how low I am. We're going to try it out with the garage. So this is either going to be success or fail. Let's get it. We're about to measure this. Let's see how tall it is. Look, make sure they're seeing it's on the ground. It's 4.5 feet right about. If anything, a little less. Let's check it out.
Alright guys, you about to do a limbo challenge right quick at 4.5 feet. Good.
You better tell me if it is.
You're good.
Oh,
dude, I thought it was like, I thought you measured it to like the car and shit. But test 1, good.
Yeah, dude, that's it. Yeah.
It passed test 1. Alright guys, so we're gonna do run number 2. I'm gonna see where we're at. I think we're at what? Where are we at? 4 feet?
Let's go lower. Wait up. Oh shit.
Oh shit. What are you trying to do?
Where's 4 feet at? Oh, not too low. Alright. Let me see.
Okay, hold on. I got you.
Right there. That's 4 feet.
Is that?
Yeah.
Alright guys, just let you guys know. 4 feet, alright? And yeah, it is
We're
touching
gonna
the
take off the roof. Let's go take it off.
It's gonna go take off this roof right now. We're gonna see what happens.
Like this.
Wait, hold up. I'm gonna hop in this just to be sure that I can, just to make sure that this thing passes, right? This shit's locked, bro.
No, it's not. Go.
Oh, there you go. Alright, let's see if this thing's gonna make it. Cause if not, this shit's gonna chop me.
Oh shit, dude. This shit's about to pass. Oh!
Is it gonna...
Damn! Wait up, be careful. Oh shit.
Is it gonna hit?
Is it gonna hit? Is it gonna hit?
No, bro. Fucking 4 feet, bro.
4 feet. Ready for the limo competition. Lowered as fuck.
Shit. Hold on. Alright, go ahead.
So right now we're gonna do an inch lower because we had an inch of space up there, and we're gonna try to get at 47.
Alright, guys. So I'm gonna just hop in it this time. I'm gonna just hop in it right now. We lowered it about an inch to 2 inches. How many inches was it? Like 2-3 inches? 2-3 inches. And we're gonna see if it passes this test. This is run number 3. We'll see what happens. Oh fuck. Eee.
Wait, there's a lot of space still. Oh,
From
it's
the
the
back,
back,
bro.
Oh shit.
Eee.
Oh, wait, let's reverse a bit. How much space is in there?
Maybe like an inch more, maybe?
An inch more?
Yeah.
Let's lower it more. Let's see. Does it pass it? Oh, no. Push it back up. Nope, didn't pass. So we just lowered the vet. We did some limbo tests. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and till next time.